So here's what it's going to look like. All this wood here. This here's the old wallpaper. Somebody had to live with that way back in the day. But we took paneling off. No, I'm sorry. We took drywall off and then paneling. And then we got down to wallpaper. And then behind the wallpaper, some of it has this here for insulation, and some of it has newspapers. Other just has the wood floor, or the wood wall. But we're gonna get it all back down to wood wall for the stables. And then there used to be a door at one time. Over there used to be a door at one time. I'm thinking this here is probably where they had like an old wood stove. And that's where the heat would have went through. But slowly but surely, the horse stable is coming along. So, took a chainsaw and widened that. And we're just cutting out the floor piece by piece. So we found out what we thought was load bearing actually wasn't. But I believe this wall here is. And then this wall here. But our buddy Rick looked at it and looked at the outside roof, so we should be good to go on that. But this is where we're at today. I got Buddy coming over in 2 weeks. He's gonna help me run some electric. So unconnected it at the pole. There's the electric coming in from the pole. Black says it's disconnected. And then this box here will disconnect all of them out of there, all the breaker switches, and we'll run all complete new wires and boxes wherever we think we need them. Just want to get right about there, a quick update of where we're at. Slowly but surely, the horses are going to have a house.